Have you ever tried building a custom voice-controlled smart home device, only to find yourself buried in a mess of wires, modules, and compatibility issues? It is a common frustration for many of us who want to move beyond basic automation into something a bit more interactive. The main hurdle is usually getting the audio hardware to talk to the microcontroller efficiently. Often, you are juggling a separate mic, a speaker amp, and a processor that just wasn't designed to handle the heavy lifting of voice processing in a compact space. This is where the ESP32-S3 development board comes into the picture. It is a specialized module designed to simplify these types of IoT builds by integrating the essential components you need, like double mic support and speaker headers, right onto one board. What makes this interesting is the N16R8 configuration. You are getting 16 megabytes of flash and 8 megabytes of PSRAM, which is a significant step up for handling local voice recognition tasks or more complex logic than the standard entry-level boards provide. Because this board is built with AI voice interaction in mind, it bridges the gap between raw hardware and smart home expansion. It is intended for people who want to spend less time soldering individual components and more time coding their actual voice command logic. Think about it for things like a custom voice-activated desk lamp, a smart home controller, or even a local language translator. It is designed to handle the audio signals locally, which keeps your response times much faster compared to cloud-dependent systems. Now, a quick word of caution: while the hardware is ready to go, the software is where the real work happens. You will need to be comfortable with your development environment to get the audio drivers configured correctly. It is not a plug-and-play consumer appliance. Before you decide to pick one up, check your existing project requirements. Make sure your current libraries support the ESP32-S3 architecture, and double-check your power supply, as these boards can draw a bit more current when they are actively processing audio and keeping Wi-Fi connected. If you are already familiar with the ESP32 ecosystem and you are looking to upgrade your setup for voice projects, this board could be a very useful addition. It is priced quite reasonably for the features it packs, making it an accessible experiment for DIY enthusiasts. If you are interested in trying this out, I recommend looking up the latest technical documentation and checking current pricing to see if it fits your budget. It is a solid, focused piece of hardware that can save you a lot of headache in your next smart home project.